What is going on, everybody? I know it's been a while since y'all have seen me. As you've noticed, this area looks a little bit different, doesn't it? I haven't been posting videos so much often because I've been working on this, moving to my new town in Rhode Island. I got a pretty damn good job out here, which fits the bill for my entire personality with motorcycles. Basically, I'm selling helmets and such all the time now. Helmets, gloves, tires, parts. You know, I decorated the bike for Halloween. People have been loving it already out here. Of course, I have a mass plate, so they probably just think I'm crazy. You know, but we out here. Is that recording? That's recording, good. Oh, hello! Lamborghini Huracan. I think that's how you pronounce it, Huracan. But today we're just going around, we're running errands. I got to get changed for laundry. Boy Scout. Since like 52 maybe? Something like that. It's not warm. That's for sure. Oh yeah. Those new EBC brake pads putting in work. Visor's fucking up. My directional still on. I forgot what we're going this way for. Oh, I completely forgot what we're going this way for. What were we going this way for? Dollar Tree. I'm going to Dollar Tree. I have to get some soap. And I have to see if I can turn my dollar hairs into dollar coins. Oh god, the roads here are not very... I mean, they're better than Berkshire County, but like, certainly they're not the best. Certainly not the best. So many nice dealerships around here. Oh, dude, I forgot we have a Newberry Comics and a Sport Clips. I gotta get a haircut there soon. Arcane Art. Dude was paying attention. Would have gotten out sooner. I don't want or anybody to ever say that I'm not a nice guy, because guess what? I just let him out of the goodness of my heart. I completely forgot where Dollar Tree is. I think it's up here. No, these are new tires. I'm not doing that. Not happening. I think I may buy more decorations for the bike too while I'm here. Dollar Tree. Target acquired. dancing in the middle of the parking lot. Let's just to the vape shop right now. Gonna get some salt nicotine for the forgot what that name of it is. Fuck, what is the name of that vape? I think I need to be in this lane. Yes, I do. Excuse me, pardon me. I need to be. What is the smoke RPM? So my RPM is a salt nic device. So I'm gonna get salt nicotine for it because I'm trying to quit cigarettes altogether. Is this still recording? Yes. Good. So we're going to a vape shop I've never been to before. I haven't been to much around here. The specific shop I'm going to is called Arctic Vape, I think, and it's right up around this corner here. Like literally right after this light, so I don't remember to shut off the GoPro this time. Arctic Vape and Smoke right there.